Hello everyone, I'm Sahil from Code Help. Welcome back to another video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. Let's start the video. In the previous video, we saw how can we give explicit data typing to primitive data types, objects, and arrays. Now, there can be a scenario where you're not quite sure what would be the exact type of the variable, but you know it would be among these types only. Like it could be either a boolean or a number, or it would be either a string or a boolean. How can we handle these cases where we are not sure about the exact type of the variable? So for that, we have something which is called as union types in TypeScript, and we can define any variable to be of union type by using a pipe operator as a separator between the types after the colon. So we'll just learn about this in detail in the video. So let's declare one variable, let not sure, which could be either a string or a boolean. Then we can write colon string, use a pipe operator, and the second type boolean. Now this variable not sure will allow me to store a string as well as will allow me to store a boolean, but not sure would not allow me to store a number in its value. Let's try that. Let me write not sure equals to true, which is fine and not giving any error. Now let's try with not sure equals to 23. Now this is giving me an error as number could not be assigned to string or boolean type. So to correct it, let's try with not sure equals to a string, let's say hello. So it is allowing me to store a string as well as a boolean but not a number. So moving on, as in primitive types, we can declare arrays of union types as well, which will allow mixed types to be stored in the array declared. If I want an array which can have a string and a boolean, how can I do that in TypeScript? So for that, let's create an array, let mix, and I want it to be of type string and boolean so that it could store these two types of values. So I can do colon parenthesis first data type as string and followed by a pipe operator to separate the different types that I want to add. Then the second data type boolean in our case and close parenthesis followed by an open close square brackets, and let me initialize it to an empty array. Now if I do mix.push any string, let's say welcome, it will let me do so. Also, if I try to push any boolean by mix.push, let's say true, it would work. But if I try to push any number by mix.push and a number, it won't work and will give me an error, as you can see. So for that to work, we can add it in the pipe separated list above at the time of declaration. Let me do it right away. So let's add pipe number and let me save it. Now you can see the error is gone and it is working fine. So that's how you can declare union types in TypeScript for arrays and primitive data types. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope this video helped you. If it did, please like it, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for the support. See you in the next lecture.